If Chrome is showing the ERR underscore connection underscore refused error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error usually means your browser is trying to reach a website, but something on your device, network, or security software is blocking the connection. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling Chrome or changing complicated settings. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart your router and your PC. This is the simplest fix, but it works surprisingly often because it clears temporary network glitches. Start by turning off your Wi-Fi router or modem, then wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on. While that's rebooting, restart your computer as well. Once both devices are back online, open Chrome again and try loading the website. If the issue was caused by a temporary connection problem, this may fix it immediately. If you still see the error, the next step is to clear your Chrome cache. Over time, Chrome stores cookies and cached files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with website connections. To do this, open Chrome, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Here, make sure to select cookies and other sites data, and also cached images and files. If you want, you can leave your browsing history unchecked so you don't remove anything unnecessary. Then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it, then test the website again. Now let's move on to another common cause: VPN, Proxy, or antivirus blocking the connection. Some security tools can stop Chrome from reaching certain websites, even when your internet is working fine. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. If you have a proxy enabled on your system, disable that as well. You should also check your antivirus software, especially if it has a web shield, browser protection, or network protection feature. Pause it temporarily and test Chrome again. If the website starts working after disabling one of these tools, then you found the cause. Just remember to turn your protection back on after testing, and if needed, add the site to your allow list instead of leaving security off permanently. If the error is still there, the next method is to flush DNS and reset your network settings. This is a very effective fix for connection problems because it clears old network data and refreshes your system's connection configuration. First, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. This resets the Windows Network Socket catalog. After that, restart your PC so the changes can take effect. Once your computer boots back up, open Chrome and check the site again. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes ERR underscore connection underscore refused in Google Chrome. In many cases, it's just a temporary router issue, a cached browser problem, or a security tool interfering with the connection. If one method didn't work, move on to the next one in order, because each step helps rule out a different cause. The key is to test after every fix so you know exactly what solved the problem. And that's it. You now know how to troubleshoot and fix ERR underscore connection underscore refused in Google Chrome using simple methods like restarting your router and PC, clearing Chrome cache, disabling VPN or proxy tools, and flushing DNS with a network reset. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.